you want to build a beautiful, modern movie card layout just like Netflix or IMDb, in this video, we'll create a stunning movie cards UI using just HTML and CSS, and we'll go through it step by step, line by line. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this one is for you. Let's go. Now let's build the body. First, a div with class card container. This will wrap all our movie cards. This is our first card. Each movie will be inside a div with class card. This section displays a label like Top New. The span lets us style the word New separately. Then comes the movie image with a small heart icon overlaid on top to represent a favorite. This is where the visual magic happens. This block has the movie name, star ratings, and a short description. We use multiple star icons for the rating. You can even adjust the stars based on your own review. Lastly, a follow or add button with a plus icon inside. Great for interaction. The second and third cards follow the exact same structure. You just change the titles, images, ratings, and descriptions. Now that our HTML is ready, let's move to CSS where we style these cards. We begin by resetting the default padding and margin and use box sizing border box so that padding and borders stay inside the element's width. We apply a stylish background image, use the Poppins font for a modern look, set the text color to white, and center everything using Flexbox. Min height 100 VH makes it full screen. The card container uses Flexbox with spacing between cards and FlexWrap to make it responsive. Try resizing the window; they stack nicely. All images will fully cover their containers without distortion and focus on the top area of the image. This styles the heading at the top of each card. The layout lets top and new stay on opposite sides. Looks clean and sharp. The word new gets a standout color sky blue. If we use an icon in the heading, we style it to blend seamlessly. Here's the real beauty, a translucent card with Glassmorphism, using backdrop filter blur. Smooth transitions on hover, and a rounded design give it an elegant look. Watch this when you hover, it gently zooms in. Simple but impactful. This is the image area. We give it rounded corners and use position relative so the heart can float over it. We overlay a cute heart icon in the bottom right corner of the image, floating, clickable, and styled in a circle. Each card has a title centered below the image. Stars appear just under the title. They're orange-yellow to reflect a traditional 5-star system. For unrated or half-filled stars, we use a dimmer gold. Finally, a short description, subtle, light-colored text with a small font for elegance. This floating button at the bottom uses a gradient base to make it stand out and stays centered. The button itself is a sky blue circle with no default styling, centered content, and hover-friendly. That big plus icon inside is bold and inviting. And this is a small but fun detail on hover. The plus icon rotates. This keyframe smoothly rotates the plus icon by 90 degrees. A nice touch of interactivity. That's it. You now have a fully functional, animated, and elegant movie cards UI built with just HTML and CSS. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, comment your favorite part, and subscribe for more front-end magic.